Hi everyone, we're the CapitalNet TV and this is the Capital Calls, your weekly news update. This feature is presented in collaboration with the Indian Private Equity and Venture Capital Association. First up, investments in India. B2B edtech startup Antwalk raises $7.5 million to build its content Bettergur. Business-to-business edtech startup Antwalk has raised $7.5 million in its Series A funding round led by GSV Ventures. The round also saw participation from Y Combinator and existing investor Matrix Partners. Account aggregator FinView secures funding to make users' financial data transfers safe. NBFC account aggregator startup FinView AA has raised $2.5 million in its seed funding round from Veranium Fund, IIFL, DMI Sparkle Fund, and M2P. FinView AA plans to use the funds to strengthen its engineering and business development teams and widen product offerings. The Baker's Dozen raises funding to strengthen omni-channel presence across India. The Baker's Dozen has secured $5 million in its pre-Series A round. The funding was a mix of equity and debt financing led by Fireside Ventures and an undisclosed NBFC. The startup plans to use the funds in brand building, hiring talent, and increasing capacity to build maximum output. D2C brand Ace4 Accessories raises $7 million to disrupt India's luggage market. Travel accessories startup Ace4 Accessories has raised $7 million in its pre-Series A funding round led by 6 Cent Ventures' current fund, 6 Cents India Opportunities 3. The round also saw participation from Ace4's existing investor Volrado Venture Partners. InsurDit raises funding to help insurance intermediaries earn revenue better. Gurgaon and Bengaluru-based insurtech startup InsurDit has raised $4.2 million in its pre-Series A funding round led by Cover Genius. The round also saw participation from 9 unicorns, Next Step Discovery PTE, CP Ventures, Venture Catalyst, and IPV. Investment tech startup Marketwolf raises $10 million to build product suite higher across verticals. Investment tech startup Marketwolf closed a Series A funding round, raising $10 million. The round was led by Jungle Venture Partners and Dream11's Dream Capital. Existing investors 9 Unicorn, IC, Crescent, and Riverwalk also participated in the round of funding. EdTech startup Credo backs funding to form partnerships with academic institutions. EdTech startup Credo has raised $2.3 million in its pre-Series A funding round, led by Switzerland-based UBS Optimus Foundation, Spectrum Impact, Grey Matters Capital, and OneCrowd. The round also saw participation from InnoSpark Ventures, IIMCA, and the Chennai Angels. Moving on to mergers and acquisitions, after Vizi, Origa, AI, M2P Fintech acquires cloud lending startup finflux. The fintech SaaS startup M2P Fintech has acquired finflux, a Bengaluru-based cloud lending platform. Finflux becomes the third acquisition by M2P after it acquired 2 fintech startups in September 2021. The startup did not disclose the financial details of the deal. That's it from Capital Calls India. Tune in next week for more such weekly updates.